Okay, welcome to this section. So we'll be looking at still on the datasheet of the microcontroller PIC18F26K22. So we're going to be looking at some of the properties of this microcontroller. So our target microcontroller for this project is PIC18F26K22. So I'm going to go through the table, the summary of the properties. So we go through it. So it has 64 kilobytes flash memory. It has a 3000, that's 32,768 instruction, single word instruction. That's the program memory. So we come over to the data memory. The static RAM is 3896. The EEPROM is 1024. We'll talk about this during the course of our program. So we have IO pins 25, 10-bit ADC channels. So we have 19 channels. We have CCP 2. We have enhanced CCP full bridge 1. We have CCP half bridge 2. We have SPI 2. We have I2C 2. We have USAT 2. We have comparator 2. Then we have other things. We also have a 8-bit timer 3, 16-bit timer 4. So look at some of the features. High performance RISC CPU. So what you go through these, we're going to go through some of the features. So it has precision 16 megahertz internal oscillator block with 4 times phase lock loop PLL. So we have extreme low power features. So we go through these. We have special microcontroller features. So this is the voltage operation, 2.3 volts to 5.5 volts. That's for PIC18F XSK22 devices. Then you see it's different from this other one. This one is 1.8 volts to 3.6 volts. That's PIC18LF. LF is for low power. So this is, you see, it can even function at 1.8 volts to 3.6 volts. So we come down, look at peripheral highlights. You see high current sink source 25 milliamps, 3 programmable external interrupt, 4 programmable interrupt on change, 9 programmable weak pull-ups, programmable skew rate. Yes, I'm going to talk about skew rate as we progress in this program. So we see about the CCP, that's capture, compare, PWM modules. So these are like things that this microcontroller has. So the microcontroller we are going to use is a 28-pin PDIP type of the controller. So it has 3 ports. We have port A, port B, and port C. So we move over, we go down, we come to this table. This is the pin summary. So we're going to look at some of the things, or we'll come back to this. I want to show you some other things. So we come to the device overview. So that's from the table of contents. So we go to the device overview. So we see this document contains device specific information for the following devices. So you see this document has both for our target microcontroller, which is PIC18F26K22, and other microcontrollers that are in the same family. So we look at the new core features, XLP technology, that is the extreme low power technology. We have the different modes that it operates. We have alternate run mode. We have multiple idle modes. We have on the fly mode switching, low consumption in key models. So these are some of the features. So the link to download this datasheet will be given below at the end of this video, so watch out for it. So look at some of the features of the microcontroller. So come to other special features: memory endurance. The flash cells for both programmable memory and data EEPROM are rated to last for many thousands of erase and write cycles. So you can write up to 10,000 for the program memory and 100,000 for the EEPROM. That means the read and write cycle is up to 100,000, which is quite long. So we have 40 years of data retention, greater than 40 years. So once you're making use of the EEPROM, you can store data there for in each EEPROM up to 40 years. So look at some other features. So we have these devices have, okay, go to details on individual family members. So devices have the following differences: flash, program memory, data memory, static RAM, EEPROM, ADC channels, IO ports, ECCP modules. So we come down to this. So this is a very big table. So we locate our target microcontroller, which is this. So this is like a summary of everything I've been saying. So of everything that I've been saying, see the program memory byte, that's 65536. Program memory instruction 32768. See the data memory 3896.